Guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Meet. So a Google Meet is a meeting online is an online meeting feature that you can use when you have a Google account. So you can use it on your Android phone or you can use it on your laptop. So here I'm going to open the Google Meet app first on my laptop. Okay, so here I've already signed in into my Google account since I've signed in Chrome right here. And then if you guys want to start a meeting right away, you can just click on new meeting. But if you guys have a code or a link that your colleagues share to you, you can just paste it in here and then click on join. So I'm going to click on new meeting, and then so here when you click on new meeting, there are also three options. You can create a meeting for later. So if you guys host a meeting, you can just click on this, and here is the link that you can share to your friends or colleagues to start the meeting. But if you guys want to schedule it, you can also do this in Google Calendar, but and also you can just start an instant meeting right away. So here it is. Okay, so here is the Google Meet, and you can just add others to join the meeting. Okay, so I think that's all for me. That is how you can create a Google Meet. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.